Hello, good afternoon. In this video about success principles, we will say how to produce success. Uh, Success is not a one-time target. Success is a continuous, different targets. Once you achieve success previously decided, one should celebrate for a short time for his own ability and the nature system and thank it. Then start on new success targets. Success is one's own decision of if you achieve this, it is success. Depends on several persons. When we hear success, we immediately think about the success in examinations. Success in examinations is also like success in life. Success in examinations have got a certain ways and certain criteria. When fulfilled, one gets success and gets degree. But in success in life, that one should aim at. So, what is success in life? One should define success in life. Human beings. So, success is a human being is a very developed living thing. So, success for human beings means first a human being is about 12 to 15 years of age. Everybody asks what you are going to become when you grow up, a professional or something. Everyone wants them to be. So that's I'll become this, that, so that everybody is pleased. But the underlying thing is that the child or a boy or girl wants to be successful in life. So he sees some successful person whom he comes in contact with and try to become like that, a doctor, an engineer. So he says as a success person. Some people say a very rich man. And they say, oh, if I become like this, that is success. So afterwards, they give that order or command to their mind, even unknowingly. And later he becomes that. So whatever he, growing up stage as adolescent, he sees something and fixes, his orders his mind as this is success. I would like to become a success. But there are certain rules to follow. Simply the mind can produce success in certain ways we don't fully understand. But certain laws or certain things we can do to bring success near to us. One is we have to study about that. That if we are to become a professional, you should study that profession, get a degree, get a license, or if an engineer, get the ability and go on, just like that. Any profession. But profession only is not everything. The human being has certain urges from nature, which come for a complete person, something has to be fulfilled. For example, most of the people like to have a family, a house, own house, a nuclear family nowadays, so that its immediate close ones can be cared for, and minimum interference from outside, so that the blessings of the divine will be with them. So this is one thing. So the children come, and next aim is bring up children in a good, reach a good position and let them have a nuclear families also. This is a reasonable aims. They work towards it. Their all energies are spent towards whatever you give yourself. This is what I want. The body and mind spends all energy for that. And one thing one to take care of is the body and mind only obeys your command you give. They don't say to you, should take care of other targets also, otherwise that won't be fulfilled. You will regret later. They won't tell. Body and mind. Because you yourself say to the body and mind, they obey. The result you get is what you said. So suppose you say, I want to be good in profession, make much money, have comforts, bring my children very high position and nicely bring up are good human beings, useful human beings, not only good, successful human beings. So for this, people have to study first about the mechanism human being, how the human beings and humans mechanisms work, how the mind works, and some knowledge about the working of the everything. So this takes time. About 25 years to 35 years, one goes on searching for this knowledge. And about 35, 40 years, one should get all this knowledge. From somewhere they will get. Internet, magazines, friends, films, old films, new films, which show life. That are the targets of the most of the people. What is good. So that is some learning period about what life is, 25 to 30, 35. They should see some videos, films, and get knowledge somehow for their full, faultless, maximum enjoyable life. So this they get knowledge, and whatever they get, they focus on their particular field, they should get more knowledge. And not only knowledge, they should apply these things when it is right. And they should depend on their own efforts, because then only they can get results as their own. These are the things. Good health. They should maintain a balanced diet, good health. They should protect themselves, their body from harm in their own house with plenty of space. But plenty of space between other members of the house. So a big house is usually good. And the air supply, air circulation, cool temperature is needed. It can be in a cool place or cooling machines, air coolers, fans, air throwers, and good ventilation, simple ventilation. Even though the costly things are not there, one should use simple ventilation, good windows, about that a hole or throat for hot air to go out. That is a ventilator. Nowadays, most of the houses don't have ventilators. Old houses had ventilators. That is 60s, 70s houses had ventilators. Before that, no ventilator. Because it is a thatched house at that time. So ventilation should be there. Temperature should be controlled, not AC everywhere, but natural ventilation. Cross circulation, cross airflow from opposite windows should be opened, or one window and one door. So these are the health maintaining balanced diet, and it's not should not be costly. Mostly vegetarian is less costly and it's good. And protein, carbohydrate, all balanced diet, and fresh fruits and raw foods like fruits and vegetables if added, it's good. I am telling about the ideal things. And those who are working or staying alone can manage with some vitamin tablets instead of balanced food. But you should eat good food made then daily, just like chapatis, rice in India. So it's a balanced diet. If they add some ghee also in something, the calories much more. Sugar they can use in moderation. Carbohydrate. So this is health should be maintained, and they should obey the nature's law, not go against the nature's law of life. That don't harm anyone unnecessarily by your actions or your paths. If that occurs, the nature will retaliate and success will be blocked. That's the one important. Next thing is communicate with the nature or the divine power. It can be prayer, religion, or meditation, etc. So this is important because the continuous help of the divine is needed in getting success, whatever. So that is a first important law. Guidance and continuous support or things made complete. Once your efforts being completed by the divine power to success. So this is the one law everyone omits. If I do everything, it will be okay. Just like everybody thinks. But you see, the divine guidance is needed most of the time. So this is laws of success.